Hi, Matt Noyes, 1 Degree Outside Weather Network, 1degreeoutside.com, where you'll find all of our videos, including the deep dive in Noyes Notes and 1 Degree Outside today for the next 24 hours. So I'm kind of going to gloss over the Friday forecast. I want to dive into the weekend here in this Insights video. Look, the current analysis, though, plays into the weekend forecast. We've got a storm down to the south and east out over the ocean and more energy, significant stuff coming in from the west. Severe weather today across the southeastern United States. This energy all kind of dropping into a big jet stream trough that's sitting just off the coastline that collects the storm energy, and it kind of keeps this onshore pattern going in terms of the wind, and that adds in some moisture and some showers as we head into Saturday as well. Friday's rain is mostly down to our south and west. It really doesn't rain much here at home. We talked in the 1 Degree Outside Today video about a couple of showers may pop up in your Friday evening on the Cape and in parts of Maine. Overnight, Friday night, temperatures down around 50 degrees or so. Again, a couple of showers starting to spray in off the ocean. And you can see the result of that at 9 a.m. on Saturday. Scattered showers coming into play, right? And they really are scattered across the area because of the wind coming in off the ocean. I want you to watch what happens as we go out to midday Saturday. The rain fills in a lot of Maine, so more and more showers kind of come together. Meanwhile, for a lot of the rest of us, it remains these scattered passing showers. Now, when you get onto the Cape, there may be some drizzle in between those showers. It really is not a pretty day for most of us, although in northwestern and central Vermont, drier air already coming in by noon, eating away at some of the clouds. And actually, by the time you get to the end of your Saturday, some of that drier air crossing the Connecticut River, coming into central and western parts of New Hampshire, while the showers continue to fall in Maine. And the scattered stuff would continue across a lot of eastern Massachusetts, even down into Connecticut and Rhode Island. But it does become even more and more scattered the deeper into the day that you go. So there's fewer of them at the end of the day, for example, than there is the beginning or middle. Overnight, Saturday night, there still will be a couple of showers trying to spray in off the ocean. Low temperatures down around 50. And Sunday does start that way. Take a look. I mean, for the Boston area in particular, maybe up to the New Hampshire seacoast, I'd say probably Cape Ann to the south, you still get this little spray of scattered showers going on Sunday morning. If you have Sunday plans, I wouldn't worry too much as long as they're in the midday and afternoon, because notice by midday, the chance of a shower pretty much limited to the South Shore and the Cape. Everybody else may still be under a number of clouds, but probably not any showers left. A lot of that jet stream energy starts to shift off to the east. Now, it's still an onshore wind on Sunday, so you're still talking about temperatures running only in the 60s near the coastline, 70 or so inland, milder in upstate New York. Now, that's a sign of what's coming for us heading into next week. After a night Sunday night that bottoms out either side of 50, look what we do Monday. We develop a southwest wind. We've got a blend of sun and clouds, and our temperatures respond. We start going up into the 80s in western New England, 70s for many of us now right at the coastline. You still may have a bit of an onshore wind Monday. I think by Tuesday we break that. The only thing of it is, on Tuesday with a southwest wind, that does come across the cold ocean water across the south, and that can even cool from Boston to the south and east. So you're not as warm as everybody else, but look at the rest of New England jumping up into the 80s by Tuesday, a real summer preview that's ahead in the early part of next week. It wouldn't last long, but it gets you started out on a good note anyway next week. Speaking of that, I hope your weekend starts out on a great note. Always appreciate you checking in right here at 1 Degree Outside and 1degreeoutside.com. Take care.